Hello, you're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make company employee travel days. This software is to manage employee travel arrangements and their stay in that country. We know like in large companies, so most of the employees has to travel abroad and we need to take care their stay there, travel ticket, hotel ticket and visa. All these can be managed via this particular project. Let's see that what all we can do in this project. And if you need to do a project in VB.NET, I think it's the right video. After watching this video, you could be able to make this project your own. So we'll show you all the design, like how to make this. We'll demonstrate the whole thing. So apart from this, we have 200 plus VB.NET projects in, and we listed all this in our website. In case you would like to buy any of these projects, you can contact us. So but our first aim is to help you out to do it yourself, therefore you can try it, but in some cases is required you can contact us for any of the projects. Right, now here let us understand how to make this project, what are things we can add up in this project. So this project basically for the companies, so large companies, so their employees need to travel abroad, so we need to manage all the their from travel to their stay there and then coming back, all these things we need to take care. So this is basically employee travel management. Employee travel management kind of stuff. We can give any title. So we give as a travel desk, company travel desk. So therefore any number of titles we can give, but whichever you feel like you can always give the title, not a problem. So here what we can do is, so now we need to create the employees. So create the employees. Then countries where they would like to travel, country details. So they required hotel details. So therefore you can hotel booking. So flight tickets has to be booked, so therefore you can book the flight ticket. So we need to enter all the status. Okay, booking anyhow we'll done with the corresponding airline, but here you need to write down all the status like. So visa status, we need to update the visa status. So all this when employee call this travel desk, so we need to explain them what is the status, what is happening. Because here even in the travel desk there is not only one employee. So because shift wise there are employees are keep changing. Therefore once you record everything in a system, then easy for them who are there sitting in the desk, they can explain them what is the status. So all the status we need to explain them step by step. So therefore, so we need to record everything in a system. For that purpose, this is the project. So this project is like a desktop application because it can run independently. We don't require like no net and all because it's not a web application. So we talk about desktop application. The front end language here is VB.NET, but still you can use C Sharp, Java, Python, or any other language. So we wish to write in a different language. So see the design, understand the concept, how the whole project works. Then you can write it in any other language too. So next thing is the backend is Microsoft SQL Server where you can create tables and the database. So now let's look at the demo. So here we are using Visual Studio 2019. So this is the first time you are watching the video in our channel. So we suggest you go to our channel and check it out. A lot of other videos are also available. So related to the project. Therefore, if you plan to do a project for your curriculum, as far your semester subject is concerned, so probably if you're looking for different titles, we have a number of titles. So please visit our channel, that is iBlix tutorials, and then if you click videos, we can see that a lot of videos are available. And also if you want to write your own in a VB.NET, so we have a separate videos like how to create MDA form, how to create a login form, then how to install Visual Studio. So all is provided over here. So creating MDA form is child form. You practice this, definitely you can able to make multiple forms in your project. And you practice this how to create a login form and all. So then you can write your own code to login and then get into the MDA form. How to create the database, how to create tables, everything is explained here. And also SQL is very important. So learn like what is the insert, how to write insert statement, how to write update statement, how to write delete statement, then how to select the data from the tables. So these videos will be help you. So whatever the project, so if you watch these videos, you'll gain more knowledge and you'll gain how to do this. Therefore, please watch that videos. Apart from this, there are other videos also available. So when you're free, please come back here and then keep watch. Also, please subscribe to our channel and share our channel with your friends and who are required. So that will help us to reach more people. Okay, so let's come back, and here is a travel desk. So this is a welcome screen. So you have a picture travel desk and then login form. This is a login form. Next is the MDA form. So here is the MDA form. We add a menu here. So this is the menu strip. So for that we add the items. So this is a visa type, country name, employee, travel schedule, visa process, ticket booking, hotel booking, status, report. I'll show you each and every form, right? So next here is the country names. So you can enter the country and the corresponding details of that particular country. And here are the button to click new to enable clear the text boxes, and when you click save, we can save the record. So this is the code to save the record. As I suggested already, if you watch a few more videos, so in each video we try to explain one or the other concept. So by gathering all this idea, by gathering all this knowledge, definitely you can able to make a bigger project or a different project or what are the project you are planning. So that is possible. Alright. So next is the employee detail form. So here is the employees we can enter. Now what I'll do is I'll run the project, therefore you can able to see the complete design and also you can understand how the whole project works. So here is a welcome screen, it will be there for 5 seconds, then automatically it'll go to next page. So where you have a login form, so we can log in here. So click OK. So it will come to MDA parent. So here you can see visa type. So business, tourist visa. So both we already entered. So any other type visas we can always enter because maybe a different company can have different kind of visa for employees. So therefore we can write down that one here. So next one is the country name. So what are the countries employees travel? Where are their offices? So therefore you can write the country names here. Let's say we have in Japan. You can write Japan. So about Japan, for that particular company is concerned, what are the important things that we need to write down in the details. Next here is the employee details. So we need to create all the employee details over here. So we already created one. So likewise same way we need to create the new employees and then save. So here's a travel schedule. Now this employee need to travel. Okay. So let's say this on February 1st. So now select the employee code. This is the employee code. Name will come automatically. Traveling details. So let's say you need to travel to Japan. Need to travel to Japan to have a discussion with client. So you can write client in another. So things to care. Okay. So one is check passport. Second visa. 3 hotel. Next. So then air ticket. Okay. Flight ticket. All need to be taken care. Done. So next is the process, visa process. So now everything is scheduled. Now this schedule number is 1003. So name and these things will come. And here is a visa status. So now let's say it's on the second stage. Visa type, it's a business visa. Country to Japan. So what is happened? Okay, so applied, under process. So you are applied for the visa there. So now if you come to the status here, so if you give the travel number, so all the details will come here. So visa is under process. This is nothing is happening here. So now we need to book the ticket. Now it's confirmed for okay. So 31st January. Ticket status complete. Booking complete. So we took the sorry. You have to select that travel number. So that is also validations. Okay, that validation is also important. When you're not selecting the travel schedule number, you should tell us like okay, you're not selected it. Done. So now ticket is completed. Then hotel booking. So that we need to complete. That is 1003. Status completed. Room booked. Room number 3, International Hotel. I can give the complete address like. So now you come to the status again. So if you go to that 1003, So you can see that visa in second stage and this booking is complete, this is complete. Fine. So now we come back to visa process and we can select this 1003. So now what you can do is, so here is a status, we can update this complete. So it's completed. So now if you come back to this status here, 103. So now this is complete, this is complete, complete. So all our everything is ready, so you can able to travel. So this will help the company that they can properly manage all the employees. The other report is schedule list when they need to travel, all these details. This is another report. Therefore, this kind of projects where company will help to manage their employees travel requirement. So hope you understand the concept. So as we shown already videos in our channel. So please watch some more videos and come to some conclusion, make your final design and then start code for it. Okay. So hope you understand the concept and now you can able to do the coding. If anything else is there, please write it in the comment and send to us. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you very much.